Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is my WELAX X9 ergonomic chair. This is the latest in technology for an ergonomic chair that's comfortable, that has all kinds of health benefits because of the way it's designed, and that's adjustable to any kind of position you want. And you get all that comfort with precision control. It's a one-touch precision control. You can push forward, that's going to adjust the seat cushion sliding. There is an 8D10 personalized mechanism for full control of where the seat goes to give you personalized positioning. And by using this lever, you can lift it and you can depress it to change the seat height, to adjust it to any level you want, just like this. So I pick the lever up, I stand up, it goes all the way up, and to lower the seat height, I lift it up and it glides down. So you can have it go to any position you want just by using this lever. So as I'm sitting on the chair, let me show you the lumbar support. See on the back of the screen here, you can see how dynamic the lumbar support is. As the support is form-fitting to my back, with the movements of me, the lumbar flexes back and forth, cradling the small of my back for full, healthy support. Now, this is the main lever control. By pushing that back, I'm able to control the reclining of the chair with the lumbar support and flex at the same time. Both of those features work independently of each other on this WELAX S9 ergonomic chair. I'm putting the lever now in the middle position. This has locked the chair in place. It's in a fixed position that I chose. And if you press the lever to the forward position, it will allow the seat to slide forwards and backwards, allowing even further control and customization of your WELAX S9 ergonomic chair. It is so versatile. Let me speak a little bit more about the lumbar support. And since I spend so much time on the computer all day, I really need support for my lower back. And this WELAX X9 has excellent lumbar support. There's a special lever even for the lumbar support, which allows it to move forward or back to different extents. I've moved this lever, I've placed it up, and we can see it slide on its lumbar support spring-powered rail mechanism. By pushing it down, the lumbar support mechanism unlocked, and with the position, it came forward. Here you can see that. It's like a little accordion going back and forth with flexibility. I'm pressing against it and pulling back, and I'm showing you as well how it can go up and down to fit different sizes of bodies. And there's many ways to move it up and down. One way is just to reach behind you and pull it up. And the backrest has 5 positions for your back, so you can get exactly the support you need for your back. And you can adjust it right to the place that you want the backrest to be, like I've done here. This feels just right for me. So with the lumbar support and the backrest, it's perfectly designed for my body, like it'll be perfectly designed for yours. And the fabric that it's made out of is a German imported suede fabric. It's really soft to the touch. It feels like a soft suede. And it has 3D breathable channels, so you have airflow so your back doesn't sweat when you're working. I want to give you a close-up of that so you can see that woven suede-like material. It feels so soft on my hands. It is not plastic. It feels like soft suede. It has some give to it, and that's for the back and for the seat. It's made to have give in it at every place where that fabric has been placed. And the headrest is also fully adjustable. Let me show you. Now look at the details of the headrest. Here's the back of it, and this is where we press it with this button here, and as I move the chair around, you can see the other side with the same button. We're going to press those buttons together at the same time to adjust the headrest. It rolls back too, so if you adjust your neck and your head, it'll roll back with you. There's about 4 inches there, so you can adjust the height up or down as you like it, and it will snap into place or snap down for the lower position. It's completely adjustable within those 4 inches. Here I am adjusting it while I'm sitting in the chair. Another way to adjust it. And I'm showing you the flexibility of it and down it goes. And the footrest is built right in, and this is fully adjustable too. To use it, you simply pull it forward. It extends out about 10 inches. And with the same knob-like features, one on each side, you press those together to fully bring up the footrest. And it'll snap in the horizontal position. So when you sit in the chair, you can have a fully reclined footrest for comfort. It's easy to find so many different ways to be comfortable in this WELAX S9 ergonomic chair. Even if you want to put your knees up and rest your feet on it, there are many different ways to be comfortable in this chair. And when you want to fold up the footrest, it's as easy as this, pressing in the 2 buttons on the side and folding it under, sliding in the extender, and it's out of the way in this compact design. And it has 60 6-dimensional adaptive armrests. Below each armrest is a tab, and you simply press that tab up to have the armrests go up or down. And the armrests as well swivel for any position you want them. You can cross your arms and fold your arms in like this if you wish. They move easily, and as well, the front of the armrests can go up or lay horizontal. And here I am showing you at the desk with those same movements. They tilt up for wrist support while typing. And with the feature folding them in, you can align your hands perfectly with your keyboard with that wrist support, like I'm demonstrating here, making working at the computer in the WELAX S9 so comfortable in so many ways. And the armrests can also slide back and forth to fit many different body sizes and shapes. There's so many different positions for those armrests. For proper computer use, it's best to have your armrest right at the same level as your keyboard, which I'm demonstrating here. In your eyes, 1/3 down on your computer screen. For long hours working on computer, I've researched, and this is the best posture to use. I want to show that to you because the WELAX S9 ergonomic chair is the perfect chair for long working hours to be the most comfortable and in the best health for your posture and back support and arms. So your whole body is working in unison as you're working. And after my work is coming to a completion, and when I need to think about my next video coming along, that's when I can recline and just relax right in my WELAX S9 ergonomic chair in total comfort. I like this chair. Time for a recline. Feet up. It's so comfortable. You can even take a nap in it. Great for resting. When you order your WELAX S9 ergonomic chair, it comes right to your door. Here's mine at my door. I brought the box of the chair into my kitchen and I put it right down on my kitchen floor. I opened the box and this is how it comes packaged. Everything was wrapped so well and in layers so that nothing would get damaged during shipping. I took everything out of the box. I unwrapped everything. It had been wrapped so well in plastic that nothing was scratched up from the shipping process. Here is everything laid out now on my floor, all the pieces that you're going to assemble. There's also a smaller cardboard box, and this box contains the nuts and bolts that you're going to use to put the chair together, including some Allen keys. And here is the cylinder. It's the center portion of the chair right in that box. It's chrome plated, so it was wrapped in plastic. It's a very solid and durable piece, and it contains 5 caster wheels. They all came wrapped together. And here is the assembly guide by WELAX. As I open it up, you can see it's well illustrated. It's very easy to understand with simple instructions that I'm going to use in this video to show you exactly how to install it as WELAX, the manufacturer, recommends. Here is everything that came in that cardboard box laid out on these red mats on my kitchen floor. The first step is you lay out the aluminum base with the casters. I put them right in the center of my kitchen floor for the assembly. I turned my aluminum base upside down, and upside down you can see the circular piece. Now that's going to be where you insert the caster wheels. And to do that, you line it up and then you press them in hard until they snap in. And at that point they're mobile, they will swivel around. I inserted all 5 caster wheels to the base. This was an easy process. Then I flipped over the base so that the caster wheels were on the ground. How easily it glides. The base is done. The next step is to put on the cylinder. In your installation guide, it's step 2. I followed the directions. The black part goes on the top and the cylinder just goes straight in like this. It is received by the base. This is a tip I've learned by all the ergonomic chairs I've assembled. You use the box it came in as a support of the backrest, so you can put this together by yourself. So I put the seat with the bottom of the seat facing up. That's what the black thing is. The seat cushion is resting on the box in the middle of my kitchen. Then I grab the backrest. I put that upside down and I'm lining all the holes with the base of the seat. And then I slip the backrest right into the seat bottom. I'm going to point out 3 places where we're going to put bolts. Here's a close-up of where those bolts are going to go in. And here are the bolts we're going to use in the plastic package that WELAX gives you. Very well organized. And with those bolts, you're going to need those 3 washers. And also, there's 3 of these rings. Here they are in my hands. You can see them clearly out of the package. I took out the Allen key that I'm going to use for this next step. And here's the sequence of events. The smaller ring goes on first, and then the big, thick black washer goes on next. And here you can see it on that long screw in the order they're to go on. Then I insert that heavy-duty long screw into the hole to attach the chair seat and the chair back. At first I use my hands to twist everything around. And when it gets so tight you can't twist anymore, that's when you use your Allen key. And around it goes until it's tight. Then I did the exact same process for the other 2 holes. Now, with your seat back attached to the seat cushion chair, it's time to start with putting on the arms of the chair. I turned it upside down and I'm inserting it into the back of the chair. Here's a close-up of it going right into the back of the chair, upside down. And you see it has 2 holes. Now they're going to accept screws as well. So you line them up, and you take these screws. These are the medium length screws. And you get 4 times of these screws, 2 for each side. And there's also washers that go with those. I slipped the washer right up to the top of the head of the screw. I inserted the chair arm to the back of the chair. Right through there is where I am placing the chair arm screw into the back of the chair. It's all heavy-duty hardware. It's so solid. It screws right in with my Allen key. It screws in tight with that washer, and I do the same for the other side. It was simple and very quality construction. And I do the same process for the other arm of your ergonomic chair. And after all 4 of those screws for the chair arms are inserted and tight, it's time to add the seat with the backrest onto the base of the chair. It's going to go right on top of the cylinder. Now I'm going to show you where it's going to aim, shoot, and fire into the base of your chair. That's what's going to go together. Close to the armrests is the insert for that cylinder. Now you need to line it up, and on goes the seat bottom onto the cylinder. And press it into place like I'm doing here. And after I press it in place, it will swivel like this. Now it's time to get your smaller Allen key. And we're going to use that Allen key to attach the headrest to the back of the chair. And here I am showing you where that's going to fit in. There's 2 holes that we're going to screw in, and there's also an easy clip-on that's going to help line it up for you. So follow this direction, do it like this. It's going to snap right in. There you go. It snapped right in there. Do you see that? And here with a smaller Allen key and the remaining 2 screws, we're going to put the 2 screws and the washer right in to secure the headrest. And see how that Allen key is just a perfect size. With just a couple of twists, I'm able to secure that tightly on one side and then the other. And I want to point out something. WELAX has thought to give you this little card. Now save this card because this has the directions on it of how to operate the chair to get it into the best position you want. It tells you in words and illustration how to move the different handles to adjust your chair. Keep that. And that's it. My WELAX S9 ergonomic chair is assembled. It took me about 15 minutes to assemble it. I hope you watch this video again after you buy this chair to follow my good directions. I was so pleased I could do this myself. Whee! It's time for the spin. And then pushing myself around on those counters and just relaxing. Love this chair. That's fun. And I feel proud of myself for having put it together all by myself. So what do you think? I love it. Click the link below to get your WELAX X9 ergonomic chair. It's the best chair of 2025 with all the comfort and features. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for the most comfortable chair, so you can game, you can do your computer work, you can do anything, or just relax with WELAX. If you like this video, here's more over there, including other things for your home office. Just click.